Understanding, laugh off the stage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read in various contexts. Laugh off the stage. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a colorful layer to your English communication. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, laugh off the stage, is used to describe a situation where someone is mocked or ridiculed so much that they are figuratively forced to leave a situation, or they fail in a particularly public and embarrassing way. It's important to note that the stage here represents any scenario or platform where someone is trying to perform, present, or express an idea. This expression vividly captures the idea of someone being so poorly received by an audience that they have no choice but to exit the scene, often due to embarrassment or failure. While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of the phrase, it's deeply rooted in the world of theatrical performances. Historically, if an actor or a play was not up to the audience's standards, the audience would not hold back their displeasure. In extreme cases, the performer might be jeered or laughed at so intensely that they had no choice but to leave the stage. This literal action has evolved into a metaphorical expression used in various aspects of life, from politics to everyday personal failures. To better understand how laugh off the stage is used today, let's look at a few examples. In the workplace, if someone proposes an idea during a meeting that's completely unrealistic or out of touch, they might be metaphorically laughed off the stage by their colleagues through dismissive comments or outright rejection. In social media, a public figure might post an opinion or statement that is widely ridiculed by the public, leading them to retract their statement or disappear from the platform for a while. In personal experiences, sharing a talent or opinion in a public setting, like singing at a talent show, and receiving overwhelmingly negative feedback could feel like being laughed off the stage. Understanding this phrase's connotations is crucial for using it appropriately. It's typically used to describe failures or embarrassments in a somewhat humorous or exaggerated manner. Here are a few tips on using it. Be mindful of the context. This phrase is best used in situations where the exaggeration is clear and not likely to deeply offend or hurt someone. Combine with storytelling. It's a great phrase to use when recounting events or stories where there was a significant public failure or rejection, adding a layer of humor or levity to the narrative. Laugh off the stage is a colorful and expressive phrase that adds depth and vividness to the English language. Whether you're sharing stories, discussing public events, or simply exploring the richness of English expressions, understanding and using such phrases can enhance your communication skills and enrich your linguistic repertoire. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and fun. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your horizons.